2024 లేదా 25లో డిగ్రీ లేదా బీటెక్ చదివారా? సాఫ్ట్‌వేర్ జాబ్ కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారా? అయితే కోడ్‌జ్ఞాన్ 100 డేస్ కోర్సులో చేరండి. జాబ్ సాధించండి.
Hi everyone. So even I am also one of you, and I've recently completed from JFS 39. So coming to my company, it was Britsoft, and I got the train as associate trainee. And yeah, coming to I'm also from your stage, and so in the college we know in the 2025 no placements were happened. So I thought like I'm having skills, but I'm not having a route or platform where I can show that skills. I applied many from the YouTube, and normally we apply online, right? But no replies would come. So one day I and my friends thought, okay, let's go and join some institute. So we would improve our skills also, and we would get a platform to enhance our skills and also. So we have seen many institutes, but Codename was little good. I mean, compared to others. So without any delay, we joined here, and here I have learned like Java full stack course, and where I have learned Spring Boot and Spring everything. And I did not apply recently when starting. I did not apply anything. So after completion of course, I started applying for the jobs. And firstly, even I was rejected in 2 to 3, but I got experience like what they are asking, how they are asking, because we are like from the root, we don't know anything what's going to happen there. So slowly and I got this Britsoft company, and right there I felt like not only what institute says you or what you learn is important, it totally depends on you how you are going to showcase there and how you are going to improve yourself. And I would like to thanks Rajbala ma'am. She was our mentor for Java. Like she not only said us a course but also encouraged us in morally also. And yeah, this was my process. Thank you.
I want to ask you the same question again. So, what is the process? I mean, how many rounds were held and how you cracked everything?
So first was written test,
Okay.
and after that I have gone through a GD group discussion, and then technical interview. And second technical interview was virtual, and there was no HRO.
Okay. What are the topics they asked in GD?
Group discussion, they asked me about social media.
Okay.
The one major point I observed there is not everyone are like perfect. So if you are perfecting them, then you can go on. So many are there like thinking what they will be saying, what they'll be thinking if I say something. So no need to worry about that. You just think that you are the only one person there, and you just say your points. That's all, without fear, and you can move on from there.
Okay. The projects which you have mentioned in the resume, are they from the academics or they from the Codename Institute?
I have mentioned 2 projects from my college and 1 project from institute.
So what is the biggest difference between the startup company and MNC company? Like how they ask the questions and what is the difficulty level in them?
Definitely startup would be asking you some difficult questions, and they'll be going like too much technical. So if you do the projects, you need to have the knowledge on that, because they ask me codes and they ask me what are the sessions. I mean, like write a code for that. They ask me many. So I think you should be perfect in what you are. And coming to MNC is also, yeah, they'll ask questions, but startup, it focuses more on that. And I prefer startup because if you work hard for at least 1 year, then further you can place in any MNC company. So you'll know the work struggle and work structure there.
And like what are the coding type questions? Like they related to dynamic programming or like simple programs?
So it totally depends on your resume. So I mentioned data structures over there. They asked me data structures questions, and some, for my few friends, they asked coding questions, string based questions.
Startup companies have more rounds of technical or MNC companies?
I think both are same, but technical they take too much time, or yeah, many people will be there, so you should be perfect in.
అంటే మీరు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా, అవి మేము మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయకుండా ఉండడానికి మీరు ఏమైనా కొంచెం సజెషన్ ఇస్తారా? అంటే మా ముందు బ్యాచ్ మా తర్వాత బ్యాచ్ కానీ చేయకుండా ఉండడానికి.
సో ఫస్ట్లీ నేను వైనారా అటెండ్ అయ్యాను. అందులో దే ఆస్క్ మీ డైరెక్ట్లీ టు డూ ది ప్రాజెక్ట్. So there I faced a little struggle, because we go for expecting they would be asking you the Java questions or normal questions, but they asked me to develop the project. So there I got like, okay, before going to interview, you know, to also be perfect in this also. And next I went to another company, Entara. So there they asked me pseudocode questions. So like each and every interview, I thought like, okay, these different types of questions are going to, so without demotivating yourself. So just try to see what they are asking. So in the next company, you will be eligible for that. You may answer for that questions. So no regrets. Even the salary is low, no problem. So right now what we need is experience. So any company I would say you can go, just give it a try, even you know or don't know. So at least you'll gain the experience what they are asking you. So further you can be good in that.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.